Hey, how's it going? Malum of Joe 16. Oh, so this is only running when our current manager or current world is not equal null, which on the first instance it does equal null. So we're gonna just try killing the player first, and that should hopefully fix it. But then, alright, so let's try this. So what we might have to do is not actually run this in the ready function, but we're going to want to run this either every time we enter this room for the first time, or maybe we want to do this prematurely. So these are our room switchers. So we can either run this for the first time when we're colliding with a room switcher, or we could do it at the start of our main scene, or maybe even at the start of our world scene. We could run it in the ready function here, which I think we do have this add checkpoint lamps. Get tree, add lamp. Okay. I think what we'll do, we'll handle this at the we'll handle this at the start of our ready function in our world. Just to simplify things, we already have this function called add checkpoint lamps, which basically just runs the function add lamp. Oh, okay. So I think we're gonna want to rename this to something else, actually. Do I mind you stealing my code? I don't mind you looking at my code and, like, you know, if you need advice and stuff like that. I won't send the code, like, but, you know, if you are curious about something or want me to show you how something works, I have no problem with that. Alright, so add checkpoint lamps. Let's go into our checkpoints. And I guess we'll add lamp here. You know what we should do? We should call it something else, though. So if add lamp, this is what we run. So we're gonna do this instead. Lamp node. Just copy all of this here. That works too. Are you working with lamp nodes? Or I feel like you don't even know what I'm working on to be taking a screenshot and implementing it. Okay. What am I working on? So I'm just working on adding. We already have it kind of working at the moment. It's basically connecting our checkpoints to lights, and we had it working in the past, but we want to make it more dynamic and communicate that to the world a little bit easier. Let me see if I could find a good example. We might crash here. Let's see. Oh. No, we won't crash, hopefully. So yeah, you'll see that this light turns on when we enter this invisible collision shape here, which is our checkpoint. So if I die right here, it'll stay lit. But if we go into another node, which I don't think we have another one here, and I don't know if I can, let's see. There might be one here, I'm not sure, but let's see, let's die here. No, we spawn back there. So if we go back here, we die over here, and there's another collision shape right here, or another checkpoint right here. The bottom one should turn off now. I don't think we'll be able to get back up there without dying. Maybe we can... Here, maybe there's another one over here. Yeah, there is another one. Okay. So this one turns on, and we go over here, and then this one turns on. If we go all the way back up, oh no, we still can't see it. Let me see if there's another one. But basically, they just communicate with each other to turn off and turn on. And I'm just trying to do that with more of the objects in our game. Let's see if it's up there. You can see it. Damn, my game's really making it so that I can't see it. I don't know anything about code, actually. The only thing I know exists is if and else. And I mean, that's basically all programming is. It's if and else. Just in different formats. If something happens, do this. If something else happens, do that. Okay. So if we go back into our room switcher, what we're gonna want to do, so it still works with these values here. So let's see, add lamp. Otherwise, if lamp node, let's do this. Elif lamp node does not equal to null, var connected lamp exists. It's equal to false. We technically don't need this loop here. We do need it for our ready function whenever we restart. But for now, we'll just handle the first instance. I've been working on this game for almost 2 years now. Alright, so it seemed like it worked, but... Or we used the same function here, but for some reason this object disappears here. It's gone from the face of our planet. So let's see. What did we do wrong? We run... That node path does not equal null. We check for this. This should not do anything. It'll actually never do anything because dynamic. We never actually named it to dynamic lamp. So if connected lamp exists is equal to false, which it does, lamp node is equal to get node, and let's make sure it's printing this lamp node. Let's run it one more time. Yeah, it's 2 years. I mean, it's on and off, but yeah, it's been a long time. So yeah, lamp node at the moment doesn't equal anything. Oh. Lamp node. Dynamic light sprite. Okay, no, it does. We are getting a connection, but at the moment there is no. This should be here. Let's try running it again. But actually, it did disappear, so we're gonna have to figure out what's going on there. It might be that it's there, but it's on the wrong Z index. So let's bring this up to, let's just do 5 for now. No. Let's do this. So our parent is still the world node here. Our position is this here. Nothing should really change. Let's print our global position. -96, -40. I think that's wrong. Yeah, we should be closer to 650. So let's go back here. What's happening? Let's see. Sprite height. What we'll want to do is record its previous global position, more than likely. Let's see here. Yeah, because it is 96, -40 locally. Make sure. Yeah. Okay. So when we're manipulating its position, we want to make sure that we're recording global rather than local. Can try putting global position here. Light node. Let's do this. Let's grab its global position in this add lamp function. We'll record it and then we'll set it back to that same position. that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And yeah, it works the same way. When we restart, it's still not connected. We'll fix that afterwards. But the first instance of our world seems to work properly. It does turn off for like a split second. I think maybe we messed up somewhere there too. Okay. So let's go back into our dynamic light here. Light node position is equal to... Thanks, man. I'll see you around. Good luck if you do plan on pursuing programming or game dev or whatever you'd like to go for. So let's do this. We are running turn off somewhere in our game, I believe, because this is the only time where we set visible equal to false, right? Lit sprite node on play light loop. I don't know why we have this set to false. This would be true. It should, I think it's always going to be true for the most part. We will mess around with the modulate of it, but yeah, it should look like that. And then if we die, yeah, it'll stay lit. And if we go here, this is when we're going to want to make it a little less bright. So what we'll do here is now in our ready function, whenever we die, I'm gonna want to run this loop here. Honestly, if lamp node path does not equal null, we're gonna want to rename this object to something else. So we'll say just do it at the end here. Connected lamp dot set name. It's going to equal get name. Copy this entire string here. Set name str. And what we'll do here is we'll grab this exact name here, and we'll do elif connect player entered with connect lamp turn on. And that should be it for the most part, if I'm not mistaken. We can get rid of all of this. Make sure it's printing this. Oh, we're going to want to say lamp instead of connected lamp. But then what we'll do here is also say connected. Alright, so connected lamp is equal to room 19, room switcher, dynamic lamp. Yep. Room switcher 3, dynamic lamp. Room 19, room switcher 3, dynamic lamp. Yeah, that's the right name. Okay. And now go back here. We go here. We don't disconnect the lamp just yet, or we don't turn it off. That might be because of the animations here. We don't have them properly set up, or we're never actually sending the signal to turn off. When we let's see, print connected lamp emit signal player entered. Global manager current checkpoint does not equal null. If current world checkpoint does not equal self, we set it equal to ourself, and then we also say deactivate. And if add lamp, we want to make sure that if we have, let's just do this, elif connected lamp not equal null. I think we're gonna get rid of this this variable here. It's kind of redundant. Lamp sprite. So we don't use this anymore. Let's comment this out for now. Light 2D. Turn off. It's just light. Let's comment all of this out. Yeah, we're gonna have to, honestly, I think we'll just rewrite this whole thing. Oh, there we go. So it does dim down, and then it lights back up. We're gonna have to fix the animations there. It's a little buggy there. Oh, and we have to make sure we fix the Z index. You just keep it on 2. Or honestly 0. Whatever it was before is fine. Alright, so yeah, there we go. I'm gonna take a break here. I'm kinda hungry, but I'll start working on the game. Try to finish it up later today. See you guys around.